Are you on a gluten-free, dairy-free diet and really miss pizza like I did? Well, today I'm going to trial a couple different options to see if we can get something close. I'm going to try two things. This is the Bonza chickpea dough, and I just have to cook this. It's 22 grams of carbs, of which 3 are fiber and 4 are protein. And I'm also going to try this wholly free pizza dough. So I'll have to roll this out, but this is a mixture, it's wheat-free, dairy-free, egg-free, soy-free, peanut, and nut-free. So it's 20 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of protein. So let's see which one ends up better. Well, right away, this is a little bit easier because all I have to do is take this out and put it on a piece of crust. I don't really like tomato sauce, so I'm just going to use this Tuscan infused olive oil, and Travis wants tomato sauce on half of it. So we're going to do half and half. Toppings, we've got fresh mushrooms, and I thought I'd try this Beyond Beef. I do eat meat, but this is the sausage, which is water, pea protein, coconut oil, and it's like sausage. It's got 11 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 12 grams of fat. So I thought I'd put this on both sides. We got mushrooms, fresh mushrooms. I guess was the cheese supposed to go underneath? The cheese. For cheese, we are trying these Mykonos pourable plant milk. This is cashew milk, sunflower oil, mushroom extract sunflower. It is 11 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat. I saw a documentary with this, so we're going to give it a try. So just pour this on. I guess drizzle it on, and it'll bake on like cheese. We'll see. Top this with fresh basil. We grew this. We've got a little bit of fresh oregano, just a tad. We also grew this in our herb garden. Put it in at 400. Okay, we got the chickpea crust. How's that look? Looks good. That cheese looks kind of solidified. And then we've got, here is our homemade rolled out gluten-free crust. All right, we got gluten-free, do a taste test here, and chickpea. Chickpea crust first. Not bad. This one seems a little softer. I think I like the taste of this one better, but I think both are great options.